So how we doing, guys and girls? So I want to make another YouTube video of a trade recap that I've done on the 22nd of the 1st, which was a gold trade, a gold long. Now, I want to do this video because I want you to understand that literally the markets work from liquidity points of aspect. So let me show you, okay? Now I've thrown an external liquidity point here, okay? Now, the thing is, guys, okay, we've got to wait for the cycle to change. What I mean by a cycle, okay? A cycle for me is a trend line inducement, okay? So maybe something like this, like a trend line inducement here, yeah, this is a channel. This is pointing to the upside, okay? Now you've got to understand, if we induce, okay, pretty much equal lows here, to the downside, we will push higher, okay? I'll give you more examples, yeah? Let's go into the 1 minute. Let's make this nice and neat here, okay? So we took Asia, we took pretty much Asia high and Frankfurt here. Okay, markets can start turning around now. Well, the only thing that you guys need to do is obviously, again, wait for the build up, yeah? This is pretty much a trend line being liquidated, okay? Now we took a little bit of minor liquidity here also. Most likely, if this would have been in your time and you could have took a trade here, cover the high and obviously target these lows, okay? Now, in this case, obviously price came back and then dumped. It's absolutely fine. Price tends to do that, especially if it's not in the right timing. Now, I want you to understand, okay, that we obviously came into maybe an imbalance area in here, okay, which then made price go higher. Now, guys, you don't have to be in this position, okay? You don't have to be. If it's not in your time, it's not in your time, and it is what it is. You know, people got things to do in life, and you know, if this is not in your time, and for me, it's not the most volatility in the market. It could be a point of interest where the price can change or come back into an area of, you know, imbalance and then push away, especially of liquidity like this. It makes absolute sense, but I don't trade at these times, and I wanted to show you the next level, okay? So we are obviously building a channel here again, okay? Other thing is, guys, yeah, we obviously want to induce, so this is where you're going to get a reaction from, okay? Imbalance, order block, last person imbalance. Now we're coming perfectly into US Open, right? We take out these equal lows here, channel induced to the downside. There's 100% you could change your character in here, okay? It's not the cleanest, but it makes absolute sense, especially after taking this, inducing the channel to the downside. It's the same stuff over and over again, guys, okay? It's just induce down, we push higher, okay? Now, where's the next channel from? Okay, we've got a channel of liquidity here, okay? Absolutely fine. There we go, channel, yeah. It's more like a flag pattern. It's something that we don't really use. This is what retail traders use, but we've been very bullish. We've come into the last bit of imbalance here, okay, and then we get a nice change of character and special timings that we use to then actually look for longs in areas like this, maybe cover the low, and then we obviously want to push price higher, okay? The same stuff over and over again. What else do we have here? Let's have a look on the 5. Yeah, that's pretty much like triple bottom, okay? I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't know why this is there, but anyway. So we have another channel, guys. Yeah. Okay. So let's have a look at this. Okay, we have a channel like this, pushing up to the high side. Okay. Now let's see actually what happens. So we take the high. This is not in our timings. Yeah. Okay, we induce the low. Yeah, but this channel is literally. So if you can take it from a different perspective, you can probably take it from here. But for us, the trend is always your friend, guys. Okay, we're obviously pushing to the downside. There's 100% going to be a push higher. Now, what did I do? Okay, I'll show you guys. Well, actually, what I did, I had a little trend line here. We're slowly coming into London Open. Okay. Now let's have a look at this. We've even filled this imbalance. Okay. Now for me, I had a limit. I think it was just here. I wanted to cover these lows, and obviously I wanted price to push higher. Why? Because the channel was telling me to go higher. So let's see what happens. We cannot mess about. Little inducement last bit. London Open. Same thing, guys. Yeah, I just wait for inducements. I trade from the inducement. This was your first tap. This was my second tap. And we want to see price push higher. Yeah. Okay. We at least want to take out this high until the channel or the cycle shows you any different. Yeah, then you trade the way the trend is currently showing you. Okay, guys, little channel here. Okay, nothing too exciting. Let's see if we induce the low side. We don't. We actually push away. Beautiful trade. Then we still obviously have this as an inducement, or maybe even target as liquidity later on. The thing is, guys, okay, we're still very bullish on this, okay, but there could be a possibility that we can target this as liquidity, especially after taking external. Okay, so all we want to do really is just wait for confirmation. Okay, we just want to see something exciting. Okay, this is building a lot of liquidity to the upside. Okay, there's a possibility we can actually go higher. Yeah, so we've got like a double top. We induce this. What time is this? Not quite in our timings, okay, but this is absolutely fine. Now you've got to understand, guys, yeah, this is your double top, okay? This is your what took the liquidity, okay? There's a possibility here now we want to see some kind of build-up, okay? Let's see some kind of build-up. All we have to do is wait for the build-up, wait for the hand showing us what it wants to do. You know, nothing here too yet, but we're starting to get some liquidity, okay? I expect a push up higher soon. Well, let's get into a time into 2 o'clock UTC plus 2, that's when I start looking again. Now, like I said, we want to maybe take a little bit more liquidity. So let's see what happens. Yeah, we actually take this out. So we take this little build-up out. So I expect actually price to push down. So let's see what happens. I'll show you my next trade. Now the beauty is, guys, yeah, we obviously, we never came into this area, okay, but we're still bullish. Now we have like a little mini channel here, okay, we induce to the downside. I actually like this area, so like I think I like this area. Now we're not quite in the zone that I want to be in, but this is starting to look really interesting to me, okay? Now you've got to understand that, yeah, we're taking liquidity out. We've got a channel pretty much to the downside here, which is also pretty much like equal tops, yeah? And let's just let this build a little bit. It's absolutely fine. Let's see what happens. Nothing too exciting coming back in. My favorite timings are New York Open. So let's actually see what happens. Okay, so we want to try and make some adjustment, something like this. Let's see if this pushes down. One last bit, last inducement for New York Open. There's your last bit of inducement. Okay. Now all I like to see is real direction. If you want to take this out on a 1 minute, we do. So now for me, my point of interest is this area. Okay, we cover the low, and obviously I pushed up to here. So let's have a look here, see what happens. Okay, it's just messing about, building a little bit more liquidity. Now, again, yeah, if you want to really see a mini cycle, guys, okay, what is this? We've got like a triple bottom here, yeah. We're coming into the timing that I like to be in a trade, okay. We know we have liquidity to the upside, okay. We know we want to take at least this out. So let's see what happens. Obviously, we got a good push away. It's just playing around, and then, you know, pretty much break even at this point, okay. And we want to see higher prices. Yeah, we've built up. So I get rid of this to see this. So just zoom in a little bit more. We've got like equal highs here. Yeah, it makes absolute sense for us to have this as target. Just above it. I mean, you obviously want to take this out, so if you have your stop there, it's going to be like quadruple high, so you really want to take it out. There we go, we've took this out. It was a lovely trade, and yeah, that was pretty much it for the day. You just got to really understand the inducement side of things before then building yourself a case around the inducement. Now for me, okay, this is absolutely beautiful cycle now. Okay, we've finished the cycle. Yeah, we most likely will take out this liquidity here now. Okay, so let's see what happens. So it's coming obviously late. It's something that I tend not to trade anymore. So we'll just see for the purpose of this, we try and take this liquidity. So we pretty much took out this liquidity here now. Now, but the thing is, guys, the next cycle is starting. Okay, so all you want to see is what's happening now. Yeah, what's happening for the next session. Now the ideal thing would be, guys, yeah, okay, so I'll show you something. Okay, we want to induce this, yeah, give you some kind of confirmation before then actually pushing lower. Okay, so let's show you now. Why is this telling me? Because the cycle is telling me. Okay, I'm just going with the trend. That's it. All I'm trading is the trend. So okay, let's see what happens. Let's get into London now, guys. As you can see here, yeah, on the 5 minute, we're starting to build equal highs here. Yeah, take out, beautiful, same shit over and over again. Now we induce the high of this channel, guys. Yeah, what's gonna happen? Most likely. So let's have a look here on the 1 minute. Okay, we've got like some kind of a mini cycle, pushed higher, go lower. Point of interest really should be in this area. Okay. There's no clear imbalance, so I'll take the extreme, something like this here, okay, and I obviously want price to push down, most likely take some of this liquidity, yeah, just go with the trend, that's it, the trend, what's the trend telling you right now, that's it, just go with the trend. Let's see what happens. We're obviously in Frankfurt, doesn't even tag me, that's ridiculous. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this actually coming into London. Okay, we're in the trade now. That's London inducement. We should actually see some kind of messing about, and then, guys, come on. You know what I mean? It's the same stuff over and over again. Okay, why did that tell me? Because of this inducement. Okay, we want to induce high to go lower, so let's see what happens. Boom, trade hit. It's the same stuff over and over again. Okay, really have to work on understanding what the market's trying to tell you with inducements. Okay, let's trade Titan FX. This is you will understand what this actually means. This most likely gonna take Asia low. I know we've got these triple bottoms here, but we had a big massive impulse down, and then price could actually change back up, coming into a timing that's called trend times for us, where markets tend to actually move quite a lot. So yeah, pretty much that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you.